how to make scatter plot with text labels inserted in it using Excel. That is my topic for today. And let's have a scatter plot between GDP per capita and life expectancy at birth in years, and then I'll show you how to insert text labels. So we have this data, GDP per capita, and I select all this data, just Alt and D, I select my scatter plot here. So we have here scatter plot. We know that this cannot be this minimum life expectancy is above 50. So to make it better, we may start it from 50. So this is my change in Y label. I don't give title here in graph area because it consumes space. Okay, and now I'm going to insert text labels here. Let's see how we insert text labels here. So just first of all, add data labels, then click on data labels, just go to format data labels, and we'll select values from cells. And from values from cells, what are my data label ranges? So this is my data label range. Instead of using whole names, we are going to use small names. And no, these labels are inserted. I check off this Y values, and now we have labels inserted here. And still you can make little correction here as well. Okay, not correction, or you can say adjustment. We can say 20,000, and you'll have better look for this graph. Now you can play with this graph, and so you can have here title here. So merge, center, but always give label the graph title left aligned. You can insert text here. I have inserted text here, and text box here. Then I have written here, I have text box. So you can insert your text here so that it completes your story. To save time, I have done it for you here. And you see I have this graph title, the chart title here, text inserted. Now if I copy this one, now what will happen? Your text will not be text that will, your okay, title is not there. So instead of doing this, if I select here and I paste it here, I paste it here, something going wrong. Now paste it as link picture. That will keep your all this thing intact, and if you make any change here, it will automatically be be incorporated in this graph as well. And now you can copy paste it for your purpose, for your image, or your PowerPoint presentation, or for some other purpose.